On our second job of the day, got a through lounge to do around the corner from the first one we did. Let's have a look. We've got this one. A lot of draft marks over in the corner. You can see it wants a good clean. All the piles gone flat in areas. So let's see what we can do with this. We'll get on to the next step of our process. Okay, so now we're going to put some pre-spray down. So we just put this into the areas of the carpet. We're going to do this all over the carpet. Spray it all down, loosen all this soil up, and then we'll get our CRB over this next, and we'll show you as it starts to lift the dirt and hair. Okay, so we're going to do this all over the carpet now. Get all the pile dragged back up, and then we're going to run the wand over it and rinse out all the dirt and soil. And we'll get back to you on that next part of the video. Thank you. Okay, so we're done with the CRB now. That's been over it. You can see it's lifted all the powder coat. You can see the hairs that it's flicked out that it hasn't quite managed to pick up. Hair from everywhere. We'll show you the back of the machine now. And here, this machine collects the hair in a container there. Now, should give you an indication of what we've took out of this carpet. You can clearly see it was well worth it. All that has come from the bottom of the carpet. So we're going to get the wand over it now, put this away, and show you the next.